Marantec Garage Door Opener Troubleshooting. Expert tips and fixes. To troubleshoot a Marantec Garage Door Opener, check the power source and remote batteries first. Ensure safety sensors are aligned. Marantec Garage Door Openers are known for their reliability. However, occasional issues can arise, requiring some troubleshooting. Start by checking the power source to ensure the opener is plugged in and receiving electricity. Next, inspect the remote control batteries and replace them if necessary. Verify that the safety sensors at the bottom of the garage door are clean and properly aligned. Misaligned sensors can prevent the door from closing. Additionally, look for any obstructions on the door tracks that might impede movement. By following these steps, you can often identify and resolve common problems with your Marantec Garage Door Opener. Marantec Garage Door Opener Common Issues. Having a Marantec Garage Door Opener can be very convenient, but sometimes things can go wrong. Here are some common issues you might face and how to fix them. 1. Door not responding. 2. Remote control problems. Marantec Garage Door Opener Basic Checks. If your Marantec Garage Door Opener isn't working, start with some basic checks. These simple steps can often solve common problems. Keep reading for detailed instructions. 1. Power supply. 2. Sensor alignment, Marantec Garage Door Opener Remote Control. Fixes. Experiencing issues with your Marantec Garage Door Opener remote can be frustrating. This guide helps you troubleshoot common problems. Focus on 2 main areas: battery replacement and reprogramming the remote. 1. Battery replacement. 2. Reprogramming remote. Marantec Garage Door Opener motor problems. Encountering motor problems with your Marantec Garage Door Opener can be frustrating, but understanding the common issues will help you fix them quickly. Let's focus on 2 main motor problems: overheating motor and motor noise. 1. Overheating motor. 2. Motor noise. Marantec Garage Door Opener Sensor Troubleshooting. Experiencing issues with your Marantec Garage Door Opener? Sensors are often the culprit. This section will guide you through sensor troubleshooting. Learn how to clean and replace sensors to get your garage door working smoothly. 1. Cleaning sensors. 2. Replacing sensors. Marantec Garage Door Opener Track and Rollers. Garage door issues often arise from problems with the track and rollers. These components ensure smooth movement. Proper maintenance can prevent many common problems. Below are some vital steps for troubleshooting your Marantec Garage Door Opener. 1. Lubricating tracks. 2. Checking roller alignment. Rollers need to be aligned for proper function. Misaligned rollers can cause the door to stick. This can also put strain on the opener. Marantec Garage Door Opener Safety Features. Marantec Garage Door Openers are known for their advanced safety features. These features ensure your garage door operates safely, protecting both people and property. Understanding and maintaining these features is crucial for smooth operation. 1. Testing. Auto reverse. 2. Adjusting force settings. Marantec Garage Door Opener Professional Help. Sometimes fixing a Marantec Garage Door Opener needs a professional touch. DIY attempts can lead to safety risks. Professional help ensures your garage door works smoothly and safely. 1. When to call a technician. 2. Choosing a repair service. Frequently asked questions about Marantec Garage Door Opener. Why is my Marantec Garage door not opening? Check the power source and remote batteries. Ensure sensors are aligned and tracks are clear of obstructions. How do I reset a Marantec opener? Locate the reset button on the opener unit. Press and hold it for 10 seconds until the LED light blinks. Why is my Marantec opener beeping? Beeping often indicates a low battery in the backup system. Replace the battery to stop the beeping. How can I program my Marantec remote? Press the Learn button on the opener. Within 30 seconds, press the desired button on the remote. Why is my Marantec door reversing? Obstructions or misaligned sensors can cause reversing. Ensure nothing is blocking the sensors and they are properly aligned. Conclusion. Frequently asked questions about Marantec Garage Door Opener troubleshooting. Your Marantec Garage Door Opener can be straightforward with the right guidance. Follow the outlined steps carefully. Regular maintenance ensures longevity and performance. If problems persist, consult a professional. Keeping your garage door opener in top shape enhances safety and convenience. Happy troubleshooting.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.